pretty good. Very well. You're pretty good dancers.
He's very.
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Shiawassee County in southeastern Michigan, Northwestern Livingston County in southeastern Michigan, until midnight at 10:57 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Morrice, or near Perry, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Durand and Byron around 11:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Perry, Durand, Byron, Bancroft, Lennon, Morrice, Cohocton, Conway Township, and Vernon. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until midnight Thursday for the following counties in Michigan, Livingston, and Shiawassee.
Briefly.
I'm from San Francisco.